How to combine cycling and weight training. How to balance strength training with cycling without these activities overloading the athletes, both professionals and amateurs. The training of cyclists has some peculiarities compared to other modalities. As it is a sport that requires a lot of the body, the athlete must perform a good physical preparation to improve his performance, whether he is an amateur or a professional. In cycling, large muscles are not a guarantee of good performance. What highlights the athlete is his strength capacity. The cyclist's physical training must prioritize strength and power with loads, few repetitions and long intervals, thus making a neural adaptation, which means that the brain learns to send stimuli to the muscles, making the training more efficient. With this type of training, the person can develop their fibers more quickly, activating them when the cyclist produces maximum strength, as in attacks to escape the peloton. Strength training can also improve the economy of movement, when the body spends less energy to produce the same strength. The ideal for cyclists is to train weight training a maximum of 3 times a week, because when added to cycling training, the body can suffer an overtraining. Strengthening must be efficient and not add unnecessary training volume. A good way out is to develop strength in the off-season period, and then just keep it for the rest of the season. To follow these tips, it is of extreme importance not to venture and set up training without specialized support. Anyone who wants to start practicing bike or other modalities has several professional options that may indicate the best type of training. All training aims for some kind of improvement, whether in the field of performance or quality of life, and only professionals trained to deal with these demands are able to effectively offer a quality service. To improve performance effects, it is appropriate to seek advice between 12 and 16 weeks before the event. The big difference is that those who start training at a very low level of performance have greater improvements in less time, and those who already have a higher sporting performance need more time to have little improvement in performance. This fact is already expected and has the name of trainability, which is when the possibility of improvement in performance is inversely proportional to the performance presented by the athlete. Physiotherapeutic and nutritional monitoring is also recommended for the best results. It is always good to respect the limits of the body and listen to what it is saying. This avoids injuries and wear and tear. Working the body preventively is always the best option. It is worth remembering that this video has the support of the Bike Quick Shop store. There you will find everything you need to make your pedal with comfort, safety, and performance. If you are interested in visiting the store, click on the link in the description to pedal more and better, reducing the risk of injuries. Bodybuilding for cyclists is a great ally. After all, with a strong and prepared bodybuilding, you will be able to face different challenges and avoid overloading your joints. Even if you are not a big fan of gyms, know that bodybuilding for cyclists is a great way to improve your performance. First, why will strength activities help improve the resistance of your heart, the muscle group that supports your back and abdomen? Region we call core. These are the most demanding regions when we pedal, so this development brought by bodybuilding is so important. With a stronger core, you will have more ease in exercising the different movements required by cycling, in addition to reducing the chances of muscle imbalances that can end up causing injuries. Injury reduction is one of the main reasons for you to invest in bodybuilding. By improving muscle strength and balance and body awareness, you will impact your joints, tendons, and ligaments less, promoting greater stability and control of movements. In practice, all this means more resistance to pedals, efficiency and speed gain, less pain and fewer chances of injuring yourself and having to stay away from the pedal for months, improving your overall performance. Now I would like to ask a question. Do you know which is the mode that burns more calories, cycling or running? I've got a great video explaining everything about this subject. Click on the video here on the side and find out everything about it. A big hug and good pedal.